Okay, so we have this integration here. So we have integral of 4 exponent 2x and then open bracket 1 divided by 16 exponent x or the x. So we are looking at how we are going to integrate this question. But before we can integrate this question, we need to do some algebraic here. We have to do some simplification here, but we can apply what we call indices here. We have to use some of the laws of indices here before we'll be able to do this integration. When we do the indices, it makes the work very easier for us to get our answer. So before that, since we have 4 exponent 2x, and then we also have 1 on 16 exponent x. Now looking at 4 and 16, we can see that the base as 4 with the exponent of 2x, we can also work on the 16 exponent x to get the same base as the 4. So let's first work on the 4 exponent 2x and the 1 on 16 exponent x. Then after that, we can do the integration. So 4, we can write this as, so we have 4 exponent 2x dot, then we can rewrite the 1 on 16 as 4 exponent 2x. So after writing this, we can also rewrite this as, so we can find the inverse of 1 on 4 exponent 2x. So we can rewrite this as 4 exponent 2x dot 4 exponent negative 2x. So the inverse of 1 on 4 exponent 2x will give us what? 4 exponent negative 2x. Now looking at this, you see that we have the base as 4 and we also have the base as 4 here. So if you recall, in the law of indices, one of the laws of indices, if you have a exponent m dot a exponent n, then this law states that whenever you are doing multiplication, you are finding the product and the base are the same, we only take one of the base and add the exponent. So this one, we are getting a exponent m plus n. So let me clean it and write it down here. So we are getting a exponent m plus n. Good. So we are applying the same here. So it means that here we will write our 4 exponent 2x. Then because here is minus, we can go straight away and write minus 2. Don't get yourself confused why I have brought the negative instead of the addition, because we are applying the same law of indices, saying that whenever we are multiplying and the base are the same, we add. I'm bringing negative because already the 4, the inverse of 1 on 4, we got what? Exponent negative 2. So that's why I've brought the negative 2 there. So getting this, it means that we are going to subtract the exponent. So when you subtract this, since they are the same, then we are getting 0 here. Good. So once we have 4 exponent 0, and we all know that any non-zero number to the power 0 gives us what? 1. Good. So it means 1 is, we can have what? 1 as the whole what? Expression. Therefore, our integral now becomes integral of 1 dx. Good. So we are integrating 1 dx, and when you integrate 1 dx, you remember your integration, that is indefinite integral. So we are getting what? X plus c. That is our final answer. So it's very simple. So when you have questions like this is how you can go about it. All right. So see you next time. Thank you.